Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to discover and follow Spotify podcast playlists. Whether you're into true crime, comedy, or self-improvement, Spotify has a wide range of podcast playlists waiting for you. Let's dive in. Opening the Spotify app on your mobile. Once you're in the app, tap on the search option at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find different genre or moods like audiobooks, rock, entertainment, or other. Tap on the podcast. Here, you'll see a bunch of podcast categories. You can swipe down to explore different categories. These categories could be true crime, comedy, science, and many more. Let's say you're interested in the true crime category. Tap on it to see the podcast playlists available. Here you'll see different podcast playlists. Tap on the desired playlist. Here you'll find a list of podcast episodes curated into this playlist. If you like this playlist and want to keep up with its latest episodes, simply tap the follow button. To find your followed playlist later on, go back to the library tab at the bottom and select podcasts. You'll find all your followed podcast playlists here. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy listening on Spotify.